Hey, it's Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Pacifica. It's a good looking piece. 8-passenger, got cloth seats in it. Rear seat video. 17 some thousand miles on it. Does not smell like smoke. It's a pretty nice little van. Got power sliders. Power rear hatch on it. So you can see the 8-passenger, I'll kind of zoom in here for you to get a little close look at it. 8-passenger seating. The center pulls out, so you get 7-passenger. Rear seat video on it. You got Stow-N-Go seats, of course. Backup sensors. Got a backup camera on it. Power liftgate release. Of course, these are fold and tumble Stow-N-Go in the back. I think the floor mats are sitting right in it, right here. Pretty decent van. Look at the driver's door on it. Got a power driver's seat on it, of course. And the seat's in pretty darn good shape. Power windows and locks. 17,426 for mileage. So it's got satellite XM radio on it. So it's got AM, FM, and satellite. Climate controls on it. Cruise control, of course. Bluetooth for the phone. Pretty nice little van. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.